Okay, so I got this stitch fix about 4 or 5 days ago, and I didn't do a video for it because at the time I didn't have the proper setup. But I was really happy with it. It was a 5 out of 5. So I wanted to share with everyone the cute little 5 outfits that I received. My stylist, I asked her for a fix of all dresses to take me into spring. And I was so happy with everything. I wanted to show you what I got. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this is the first one. First dress. It's a navy blue. Has a little pocket right here. And this is how it fits. I don't know if you can see the bottom, but just a nice little easy throw on swing dress, which I really like. Something nice and easy you can just throw on and go, which is my goal, which is exactly what I wanted. So this was a keeper. It is called the Alison Essential T-shirt swing dress, and this one is in a size small, $38. Okay, this is the next one. Cute little ruffle top. This is the back. I don't have one of these shoes. So you can easily wear this one off the shoulder. Or you can wear it. I wonder if you can wear it one shoulder. Let me see. No. I think it's a little loose like this. I mean, you may be able to pull it off if you like this kind of style. So, yeah, really happy with this one. You can even take the straps off if you don't want to go with the strapless bra. So, let's see. This one is Mandy Knit Dress by Renee C. It says the color is black. I guess so. Small, and it is $48. When I asked for this fix, I asked for all dresses under $50. So that's what I got. Well, this is one item that's not a dress, but I'll show it to you. Okay, here we go. So it's a romper. I asked for all dresses, but she did send this romper, and I'm glad she did because I really like it. It's cute, it's comfortable, you know, it's not too short, it's still longer than fingertips, finger length, whatever you call that. So, right, not too short, comfy, stretchy, it's got the elastic band. Now, and as you saw, it has pockets. So, really like this. It's a little closer up so you can see it. The flowers are kind of pinkish, where it looks like it's white. It's actually a light pink, and then the purple flowers in the middle. There are some buttons right here. We've got two buttons. So, I mean, if you wanted to undo another button, you could, but it already is like low enough. So, yeah, really cute, really comfortable. What am I doing? And stretchy material. So, really like this one. It is called the Kesey Knit Romper, mixed by 41 Hawthorn. And this one It says the color is black as well. It's a size small and it is $44. Here is the next one. It's like a rosy light color, you know, and it has the pattern. Easy breezy. I like it. It's a good length. It's right above my knees. You know, just something to throw on with some cute little sandals, flats, or some heels, sandals. You know, love these kind of dresses. This one is really comfortable. It has like a very nice and stretchy material. I'll show you the back. Am I in camera? Okay. So, really like this one. I have one more that I want to show you. I'll be right back. You know what? I did not tell you the price of that one. So, this one here, it is called the Sabria Knit Dress by Fortune and Ivy. And this one is a size small, $38. Now, the one that I have on now is called the Renata Knit Dress, 9 Britton. And it is, the color is black. I guess they just say black, not multicolored or something. Size is small, $44. So each one of these dresses were all in a size small, and they were all under $50. So my total was $212. Buy all, get the 25% discount, so that was $53 off. So the order total was $212 minus the $53, so it was $159. Now, I wasn't minus my salary fee because I'm on a $49 yearly pay once, $49, and I used that on my previous fix. So for me, this is fix number 26. And yes, I know I haven't been filming them, but hopefully I will start filming more of them. But yeah, so I got all of these dresses for $159. 5 dresses, $159. What is that? $30 each? $31.75? I don't know. But yeah, about $30 each. So really, really happy with that. Let me show you this one that I have on now. This is the last one. So again, nice and easy. And it's so comfortable. It feels good. It's stretchy. It's not clingy. It's just, it would be so cute with like a jean jacket. You could do a denim jean jacket with it, or you could do a white jean jacket with some white sandals, a white purse. I mean, just like really easy. Or you can go, this is like a navy mixed in with this white. So just wanted to show you guys this fix, even though I was slow doing it and didn't do the unboxing on camera. I just didn't want to let a 5 out of 5 fix go by without sharing it, because I love the dresses. I think they're so cute, and I think so many people out there would love this kind of dresses too. So let me know your thoughts if you liked all the dresses, or yeah. So thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.